Oh, digger. Handbrake, mate. Go hit it.
It's not working.
What gear is it in?
I don't know. I've got more fastness than him. He put mud on the bike.
What up?
He put mud on the
What do you got up here, cat, mate?
I got an awesome clip of it, him doing it.
What happened?
Gotta go.
Grab it, Seb.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, you wanna take the hose with you?
What happened there with the hose, dog?
He's
Oh.
destroyed that thing.
The bike hit his wheels.
I didn't get a good one. Oh, you suck.
I got one of you doing the burning.
Oh, I got a really good one then.
Like,
Oh, shit, it's gonna take off on me. Yeah, bro. Oh, no, more funny. Go get less better. Go get a bad shirt on. And he's off the bike.
Seb, you can get easy. You go slow enough.
No, what you have to do is you get a crap shirt on, Ozzy. You need to get a crap shirt on, come down here one day and bring our bike. Full of burnout. Yeah, bad shirts on that. Because these are good shirts, not the killer shirts you can pull and doing stains on it. Show that to my mum, she'd be impressed.
I'm going to put it on YouTube, man.